Hi, my name is Alexander Mette. On the internet and especially in the Tiki community I'm known as Ahmet. And the Tiki community is what I want to show you, the basic places where you can go to get into it, to get working with it and perhaps even collaborating with us, which would be really great. So let's have a look at the necessary websites for that job. When you enter TikiWiki.org into your browser, you at first get to info.tikiwiki.org, which is the main entrance point where you are welcomed and get something to know about TikiWiki, and you immediately can download the software. This is more just like the first information page for all the people. The really interesting page is the TikiWiki.org community page. This is where basically all the community action goes on, where Tiki Fests are planned, where users help each other. You can, for example, see down here, I'm now logged in. The page will look differently when you log in. I just set my own style sheet. The forums are a very good starting point for you if you need any help, if you have to ask questions, or if you want to help other users. There are many different forums basically about TikiWiki.org, development, documentation and so on. Then the next important page is the doc.two, which is where the documentation for TikiWiki is collaboratively written. In the TikiWiki software itself, we call it eating our own dog food. We're dog fooding all the time. And we have on the doc.two site lots and lots of information about all the different features, and people are collaborating there on writing the documentation for all the other users. We have an editorial board there which discusses how to work further on the documentation, so you could join that as a first step if you can't code or anything like that, but you are interested in helping. If you're more of a coder type, then the dev.two is the site for you to go. It's the TikiWiki developers area, which is also for you interesting as a user because we have our bug tracker there. Like when you click on all bugs, you get the list of everything that we have so far identified as being a problem. This is again dog fooding at its best, as we use our own trackers for the bug tracking. So you see here like about 10 bugs being with a very high priority. Login not possible when certain admin options set. So we really need to fix that fast. It's 19X issue, created 2008-03. I think it should be fixed. Someone should look at it. If you find an issue yourself, then you can right here, left upper corner, click on report a bug. And actually, you need to be logged in for that. I forgot to tell you. When you are on the, remember, TikiWiki.org, the main community website, get an account there. I'm right now logged in as Ahmet, as you see here. Just get an account there, and this account will work on all the other sites. That's essential. With these credentials, you can really then log in on doc.two and write the documentation or fix any bugs and errors in the documentation. You can log into dev.two and report bugs. You can work on them. As you see here, this is our bug report form where you put a summary, can assign a priority. Please don't set it to 9 just to get it fixed. That's really counterproductive. Someone will then afterwards set it even lower. Then which bug type, regression, if it's a feature request, or if it is a community project, you can even file documentation bugs there. Which version is affected, and then which feature is affected. As you can see, we have lots and lots of them. Sometimes it's not easy to choose some. Just click on a couple of them that you think that fit. Someone will later on clean it up. When you want to get into coding, you will also find CVS tips, developer tips, and so on. The 3 rules are the major thing. you should know if you want to contribute. Be it documentation, be it anything. The 3 rules are really just the central thing that organizes our community. You should really read them, and if you want to join, if you have a SourceForge account, you can join anytime. Just come on IRC, which is the Internet Relay chat, and we will be happy to help you and to give you commit access to our project.